In this video, I am going to show you how to make deposit as low as 3 or 5 US dollars and use that amount of money for trading on MT5. So go over to this broker, Fxpro, click on it. So once you are logged in, create a standard account on Fxpro. So you can come over to the home located at the lower left hand corner, click on it, and you will see an option to create a real account. You can click create real account. So you are going to select the standard account. It is the standard account that has no minimum deposit. You can see there's no minimum deposit. Any other type of account like the Fxpro Raw Plus, it has minimum deposit of $100. So I want to show you how you can deposit as low as $3 or $5. So click on continue with standard account. So you will select the account currency and make sure that the leverage of this account is 1 to unlimited. It is very important. The leverage must be 1 to unlimited. If it is not 1 to unlimited, whether it's 1 to 100, it will limit how you can take your trades. Okay, so make sure it is 1 to unlimited, and you can select the execution method, select it to be hedging, and then click I want to use an external terminal because we will be connecting it to MT5. So once you click this, it will ask you for an account password that you can connect it to the MT5. Just enter the password that you want to connect it to the MT5. So once you add the password, ensure that it has at least one lowercase, at least an uppercase, at least a number, and then any special character, and it should be up to 8 to 16 characters. Once you have selected all of these, click on create account, and your account will be created for you. You will be given a new trading account. You can see it here. So what you need to do now is to deposit into your account. But first you need to connect your account to MT5 because we will be trading there. Okay, so if you want to see how I have connected Fxpro account to MT5, I have made a video about that. It will appear at the top right hand corner. You can go and watch it. When you have created MT5 standard account, you need to deposit money into your Fxpro. There is no way you deposit money directly to your account. You have to deposit it in your wallet first. So click on add funds. That is here. You can click this add funds, or you come to the lower left hand corner, select these funds here, this menu. You will select funds. Then you will select the local payment method. That is what I want to use. Click on continue. Then depending on your country, for me in our own local currency is 5,000 naira. So I am going to enter 5,000 naira. You see it is estimated to be about 3 US dollars. So others may be 4, maybe 2, some may be 5, depending on your own local exchange rates. When you are done, click on deposit. So I am going to click pay with bank transfer. Then click I understand, click on continue. So I will copy this, click here and copy this bank account. Go to your bank app and transfer into this your local bank account that has been created for you. Enter the exact amount and click confirm. So I have made transfer to it. I will now go over to the app, and you can see, so it has already reflected immediately, less than 2 seconds. Click back to home and you see the money is already in your wallet. your Fxpro wallet. So what we need to do is to transfer this money that is in the Fxpro wallet to our trading account. And you see, this is a standard account that we just created, and this is another standard account. They are all the same, but I have connected this one to MT5 already, so I am going to transfer into this particular account. Now I want to also warn you, if you have an MT5 account already with Fxpro, you can click on the account, click on it, then go to these settings and make sure that your leverage is not 1 to 100 or 1 to any number. Change it and make sure that it is 1 to unlimited. Select the 1 to unlimited. It is very important to allow you to trade with a small amount of money. Then click on apply. So it has been changed to 1 to unlimited. We can now go back and make transfer to this particular account now. So click on this transfer here. Remember, we are under home, so I will click transfer. Select from your Pro wallet to select the account. Click this drop down icon and select. This is the one I want to transfer, the one that ends with 194. So I will enter the amount, maybe 3.58, and click transfer, and instantly it has been transferred to this my trading account. So we can now go over to our MT5 that I have connected. Remember, if you don't know how to connect Fxpro to MT5, I told you I have made a video. Go back to it and watch it. Okay, so let us go to MT5 now. So I am in my MT5. You can see this is the account. It ends with 194 that I just transferred $3.8 to it. And when I come under trades, you can see the money is already here in my MT5 account. It will reflect in your MT5 account already. So what you need to do now is to just choose any trading pair that you want. Come over to your quotes at the lower left hand corner. Select any trading pair that you want. The one I love doing is gold, especially on Fxpro. They have one that is called gold gram. So gold gram is like a mini gold. Instead of buying the standard or selling the standard gold, you are buying it in bits. So for anyone with small amount of money, this is the one that is best for you. You can trade any other pair, but I prefer the gold. Okay, so click and hold the gold gram, and then you will see the chart. Click and go to the charts. Now the mistake that most people do with small amounts is that they trade with higher time frames. This is 15 minutes now. It's a high time frame. If you are trading whichever pair you are trading with a small amount of money. So if you are having small amount of money, the best for you is to use the 1 minute time frame. So tap on your screen and select the 1 minute time frame. This is the best approach for you. So what you are going to do now is to make your analysis depending on how you are doing your trading, and you can use these buttons now. You see, if we were to take an entry here, we can take an entry for a buy. Our stop loss will be below here, and our take profit will be at the top here. Okay, so you see you are getting like ×2 of whatever you are buying, and then click on the buy button, and it will take you in. Set your stop loss, set your take profit, and then you are good to go. So this is how you can be trading using a small amount of money. Okay, and you can grow this account from just the 1 minute time frame. Now this is how to trade using small amount of money on Fxpro when you connect it directly to your MT5. If you have any question regarding trading small accounts, just let me know in the comment section. You can go over, close your position. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.